Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the like button to the follow button on Facebook pages. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Facebook app, and then we tap on the profile on the bottom right part of the screen, and then we go to the three dots here beside advertise, and then we tap on view as, and then as you can see, mine is set to like. This is what you will see if you go to my profile. You will see like. Now to change that to follow, all you need to do is go back. We tap on the X button here, on the top left part of the screen, and then we go back to settings here. And then once we're here, we search for followers. And then we tap on followers and public content. And as you can see here, make sure everything right here is set to check and on. Make sure all of these are on, and you will now see that your Facebook has set from like to follow. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.